Hey there, Donna Hoffman here, your interior design advocate and advocate in all things design. You're watching the third portion of a three-part series on fabric, how to nail fabric and get rid of that awful fabric confusion. In this last section, we're going to be talking about pattern and why pattern can be a huge tripping point, especially if you're looking for pillows or window treatments that are short window treatments. So we looked at the 4 levels of fabric that can be really the point of confusion for you in video 2 of this 3-part video series. And if you missed that, I encourage you to go back and look at that. But let's talk about pattern repeat. So patterns come in a couple of different sizes. There's large scale repeat for a large pattern. There's mid-scale repeat where it's a mid-size pattern. And then there's, on this pillow, a small scale repeat in this wonderful little leopard, meaning it's a very small pattern. Doesn't take a long time to repeat itself. Well, why do large scale repeat patterns become a little confounding for you? Well, in this case, with this beautiful Dura-Leaf fabric, it has a 13.5-inch vertical repeat, meaning how long does it take to repeat this pattern running up and down, and it has a 27-inch repeat running horizontally. Why is that a confounding issue? Well, if you have a 13.5-inch repeat and you want to make a little 12-inch tall pillow, guess what? You're not going to get a full repeat of this pattern on your pillow. The pillow might look a little strange. Or if you wanted to do a little square pillow, a little 10-inch square pillow for a teeny little boudoir chair, really couldn't do that with a large scale repeat like this. So same thing when you're looking at window treatments. Maybe you've got a short little window treatment valance that you want to do in a powder room, and maybe you only want that valance to be about 12 inches long. Well, if you have a fabric that needs 13.5 inches to repeat itself, the pattern's going to map out a little strangely on that window treatment. So make sure you're working with an excellent workroom that can really, really guide you on your fabric repeat as it will lay out in whatever end use you're looking for. So that'll do it to help end your fabric confusion and nail the right fabric every time.